Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Saturday, December 29th, 2018. On the 26th, the alert level was raised to 3 for the Krakatau volcano in Indonesia after violent explosive activity caused by magma-water interaction began from the area where the summit cone collapsed on the 23rd and exposed the vent to seawater. Although the major eruption has now subsided, activity may increase again in the coming weeks. As the eruption of Mount Etna in Italy continues, seismic activity has caused massive cracks to form in Catania, Italy. The largest tremor being a shallow magnitude 5.1 hit on the 26th, injuring 28 people and causing severe damage to several buildings and infrastructure. On the 28th, there was a new eruption at the Shavela volcano in Kamchatka, Russia, ejecting a large column of ash 5 kilometers above sea level. The aviation color code is currently at orange. On the 24th, the alert level was raised from green to yellow for the Stromboli volcano in Italy after a significant increase in seismic activity. Officials are monitoring the situation as the volcano is now considered unstable. And on the 27th, there were 2 explosions from the Mayon volcano in the Philippines, ejecting ash over 600 meters above the crater. Right now, there are 46 volcanoes either erupting or on high alert. On the 28th, there was a magnitude 7.1 earthquake off the coast of Mindanao, Philippines, at a depth of 10 kilometers. A tsunami warning was issued, but there were no reports of damages or injuries. On the 27th, there was a shallow magnitude 6.1 earthquake, reduced to a 5.5 near Carabobo, Venezuela, damaging homes, buildings, and infrastructure. Also on the 27th, there was a magnitude 6.0 earthquake near Jaya, Indonesia, at a depth of 52 kilometers. On the 28th, heavy rains caused torrential flooding in Sulawesi, Indonesia, severely damaging homes, vehicles, and businesses. On the 25th, there was another strange tidal phenomenon, as strong winds caused huge waves along the shores of Birch Bay, Washington, once again causing severe damage to infrastructure along the coast. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. Protect your body against the toxins we're exposed to every day through our food, water, and air. Check out GetTheT.com. They have everything you need to get your body and mind back to a healthy state. Right now, you can get $35 off all 3 of the Life Change Teas. That's GetTheT.com.